ever said to yourself, it got to get better than this? I don't know what you're going through, but sometimes when you are building your goals and you're trying to get your life to another level, a better level, it seems like so many things that come against you, man. So many. So you know what I have learned? And I learned this from my older gentleman who told me this. But I had to remind myself of this fact. He said, ask for forgiveness. Don't ask for permission. Because a lot of these people in these positions are just puppets. They might have a bad day, so they want to make you have a bad day or want to keep you from getting to where you want to get to because they couldn't do it. Or they feel like, oh, he can't do it, I couldn't do it. So what you do is just ask for forgiveness. Do what you got to do for your family. Do what you got to do for your life. Now, there's negative things that you don't want to get yourself caught up in any trouble. But you have to do what you have to do to survive. And certain things, people will tell you, oh, you can't go that way. It's okay. Go that way if you can go that way and get around. It is what it is, man. All I'm saying is stop asking for permission about everything. And then you like, damn, why is it so hard? They say I got to do this. Man, a lot of those steps you can jump over. Now, some of them you got to take. But a lot of them, there's a better way around it. So always think outside of the box, man, and just realize people will try to hold you down. I ain't gonna say trap. People will hold you down if you ain't grounded, if you ain't secure enough in your belief, in